What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today I'm extremely pumped. I finally got my new exhaust system from Soul Performance. Let's check this thing out. This is the resonated muffler bypass by Soul Performance. I've waited nearly a month for this. Comes with this super detailed instruction manual with step-by-step process of how to do everything. I also went with the slash cut tips. And basically the factory mufflers come off and these bad boys go right on. The car's already up on some ramps and I've already taken the skid tray off. I'm so pumped. Let's just get right into this. Okay, I was able to cut the factory muffler off. Ended up switching to a cutoff wheel with a 3.5 inch wheel, I think, or 4 inch wheel. The little tool that I was using wasn't very good. It gave me a nice line to go off of for the cut, but this is the main thing that's out. I've taken off the exhaust hangers and I've also plugged the vacuum line with the provided plugs as stated. So unbolt, so now I have to put the new exhaust hangers on the new exhaust and then start putting the clamps onto where I just cut off so I can bolt everything up. For reference, this is the size difference from the new system to the old one. Losing this giant box, and then the tips bolt onto the end of this once it's all mounted up. There's a resonator right here in this section which helps to eliminate drone. And yeah, so this section here, we'll use this clamp to clamp up to the pipe in there, and we'll be ready to rock. So I'm on the driver's side now, taken off the ground, and I used that kind of sawing tool to put a little line. Oh, it's actually right here. Put a little line on the surface, probably hard for you to see. Now I'm gonna take angle grinder with a cutoff wheel and just cut along there. Passenger side on, driver's side mounted up. These take some finagling to get on, and then you really got to tighten them down. But once they're on there, they're super solid. Just getting all of my mounts bolted back in. Still got to connect my ground wire back up here. Then I just have to align and mount the tips, and then bolt the skid tray back on, and we're ready to hear it. One side done, two side done. Things stick out pretty far. I might adjust the height later. But yeah, all right. It's windy, but I'm gonna grab someone to start this for me so I can get a first sound test. First cold start, whenever you're ready. It's gonna be really loud. Hopefully it doesn't explode. So all I'm gonna give you guys is a cold start today. I'm gonna make a ton of videos driving this thing, getting my reaction and how it is, if there's drone, any of that stuff. I'm pretty stoked that I could do this in my own garage at home, and the instructions were really, really easy to follow. I'm gonna let this thing warm up and then I'm gonna go for my first drive. I'm definitely gonna film videos tomorrow and the next day and all of that. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.